Before this video starts, I just want to say to you, go subscribe and slap the bell and leave a like on my brand new channel that's called Roblox with Fremantle. And when you're done all that, please just get subscribe. And guys, don't you worry, you will get a reward after this. So guys, enjoy the today's video. Hello everybody, my name is Fremantle, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today guys, we are doing another reaction video. I've done one of those like a week ago or 2 weeks. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do enjoy the video, slap that like button and subscribe and slap the bell if you want to see more videos like this. So let's get started. Oh, we're gonna be doing the worst Minecraft intros. There's the video. Yep, let's go. Oh, Minecraft fight. I don't know why it's lagging guys. Oh, fighting! Oh! Psycho Girl. Hey guys. Wait. Hey guys, Psycho Girl here. Ready to do another Minecraft video. We're going to be checking some chicken noodle soup. Okay? I don't even know. Oh no. A block? What's going on right now? Oh. Savage. What the heck? Okay. Oh my god! He just dabbed. And it is. Wasn't interesting. What? What an intro? Are you serious? Why do people must do this? The dab. Was it ever fun? I don't even know. Let's continue. Oh no. Bully. What's up with that? Oh! Killer Monster YT. Okay, Savage. Oh my god. Cheerleader. Cheerleader? Is that your name? What was that? That was like nothing. That was like the worst intro. I don't even know. Let's continue. I mean, it's better than the other one, than Dab. So, give this guy a thumbs up. Yeah. Your name is Name. Oh my god. Psycho Girl. What kind of store is that? A cold store? Ultimate. I don't even know. Oh, what's this? Oh my gosh! He's dead. Van. Van! What are you doing with your life? Look at this guy. He's dabbing. Another guy of the dabbing team. Oh my gosh. Is this ever going to stop? I mean, it's a very good intro. What the? Okay, bro, chill. Yes! You just got shot. That is my best. Oh no! Music is my best friend. Okay, what am I talking about? He dabs. And what is this? He threw the bottle? No, I'm done, bro. Nope. Music is my best friend. Yeah. What are you doing? No, my gosh, what the heck? What did he do? Oh, a bottle flip with the potion bottle, and then he dabs. Why does everyone must dab after this? I don't get it. Oh my gosh, the same thing. What is wrong with you? Really? Really? Bottle flip, and then dab. What does everyone must dab? Guys, I'm not sure what just happened. My code just freezed, but it's okay. Okay. The dog. Really? Oh, battle. Let's go. Double sword. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Oh my gosh. What the heck? What just happened there? Let me just go back. Yeah, I saw that. Oh. Oh my god. This is so bad. Oh my gosh. Why does everyone must dab after the intros? His name is Swag. This makes it even worse. This is not Vibrator, okay? What are you doing? What are you doing with your life? Oh my god. What is this? Okay. Oh no. Okay. Oh my gosh. It would be better if you would dab. I said to you, it would be better if you didn't dab. Look at all the screams. What the heck? Oh, this again? What the heck? Name! Shout out to you, bro. Shout out to you. Your name is Name. Oh my gosh. I don't even know, man. Okay, guys, we continue. Oh. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Okay. That was it, guys. was it. So guys, if you did enjoy this test video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more. So guys, I'll see you again with another daily video. Bye!